Hi guys, Josh here again from Jestic Culinary team. Today we're going to talk about adding a new product into our Duke RFHU unit. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn the unit on, and then we're going to go into our settings. We're going to go into our recipe config option, and this will load up all your recipes that are currently saved in the unit itself. We want to add a new one, so we're going to press the plus at the bottom, and our add recipe card comes up. So top left, we've got options to change the name. So top line of the name, bottom line of the name. And we're going to go up and down here to adjust that. So let's say this is our same name program. We hit the tick to confirm. Our code name, there's a little 4-digit shorthand for that product. So this is our same program, so we'll say yes, we want to save it as that. We've then got our options for our hold time in hours and minute. The blue one is the one that we're adjusting at the moment, so we're saying this is a 1 hour hold, so I'll press 1 there. I'll then press the minutes button. I'll adjust that to 0 by deleting off the 3. We'll hit the tick. Is this a product that requires a lid? Yes or no? It is, so I'll change that by hitting yes. And then I've got my top temperature, which is the temperature at the top of the bin, and my bottom temperature, which is the temperature at the bottom of the bin. So if I want to adjust those, press into them and I can adjust them. They go up in increments of 5 Fahrenheit. So you'll see the Celsius will be a little bit random as it goes up here. But I want this to be holding at around 70 on the top. I want to be holding 79, 80 on the bottom. So we'll confirm that. And then at the very bottom, we've got options to have the unit tell us that it's time to cook more. So as this timer goes down, as this hour goes down, if I want a little reminder for me to get my chefs to cook some more and fill my bins up, I can say, yes, I want to cook some more. I want to cook some more 10 minutes before the hold of this ends, and the message that it's going to display on the screen is to cook some more. We could have it say grill some more if it was a grilled product. We're happy with this little product here now, so we're going to hit the tick to save it, and that will now be saved in my recipe library. If I ever want to get in and edit that again, let's scroll through to it. Pressing the arrows, there's my same program, so I can go into that and then I can adjust it if I needed to. If the product we no longer do, we could delete it off to permanently delete it. And that's adding a recipe.